equity indices are at their lifetime highs, and all of you investors must be wondering if it is time to be cautious or to join the party. The important factor to note here is only a handful of stocks have been stealing the show, from IT sector, large consumer companies, refinery majors, and a handful of corporate banks. Let's do a three-point analysis to find out what is the best strategy for investors. 1. The March rally. Is it different this time? Well, the markets have perked up after remaining lackluster for a long period, thanks to strong inflows from the foreign institutional investors who had gone missing. Now, global central banks have shifted to a more dovish and accommodative stance due to a weakening of the growth outlook. Flows have been influenced by expectations of India getting a stable political mandate in contrast to the possibility of a fractured political mandate. 2. What should investors read in this rally? The rally has one key difference from the past 1 year's performance. The rally was a bit more broad-based. More indices moved up, and even mid-cap and small-cap indices made a strong comeback. That gives the impression of a return to euphoria akin to 2014. However, the breadth has not improved significantly. About 44% of the stocks have outperformed the small cap index in March. For the mid cap index, 51% of stocks had outperformed the benchmark in the past month. 3. Can the election-led euphoria sustain? Well, should the election results lead to another stable government, a short-lived euphoria cannot be ruled out. However, for the equity rally to sustain, the broad market's earnings growth must improve. In the recent years, the overall economic slowdown had disproportionately also impacted smaller companies. It is pertinent to note that in the last few years, consumption has been the primary engine of growth, and that too appears to be losing the steam. The investment rate in the economy has also fallen, and this is crucial as it holds the key to the next leg of growth. Election-driven uncertainty, tighter funding conditions, damaged balance sheets of companies, and underutilized capacity have emerged as major challenges for India's capex recovery. Therefore, for euphoria to translate to recovery, an all-round growth revival is necessary. Hence, long-term investors could capitalize on the rally to get out of weaker positions in their portfolios, and the mantra is to stick with well-researched stocks with high earnings visibility irrespective of the outcome of the upcoming elections.